Hey guys, Dr. Britt here with TruestYou. Today I'm talking to you about our hemp CBD vaporizer. So our vaporizer is unique because it's additive-free. Typically, CBD crystallizes into a hard substance and doesn't allow for vapability. So a lot of companies will actually use additives, such as the worst being propylene glycol, vegetable glycerin, and then even worse things like artificial flavorings. So none of that is in our vaporizer. What is in it is 250 milligrams of CBD, and that's coming from 500 milligrams or 0.5 milliliters of hemp oil. So our product is hemp oil and terpenes. Terpenes are a little confusing. They're what make the plant have smell and taste. But more importantly, it's actually what gives the product or the CBD its effect. You can change the terpene profile to either make your vaporizer relax you, or it can make it give you energy and make you happy. So we've actually gone with a vaporizer that is uplifting and gives you energy. So how you would use a vaporizer is you would inhale it, hold it in your lungs for a couple seconds, and then exhale it. And then we typically have you do that a few times a day. That way you are keeping the hemp in your system for as long as possible throughout the day, as opposed to just one time during the day. So it's not like a medication. It's more of a healthy benefit throughout the day. You want to keep the hemp in your system, and that way your endocannabinoid system is increased throughout the day. And in turn, that endocannabinoid system will increase all the other systems of your body. So I will show you how we use it. While typically you're never supposed to have anything in your lung besides air, there are times where the benefits outweigh the risks. Take, for example, asthma. An asthmatic will use albuterol or a nebulizer to help them with their symptoms. That's similar to a hemp vaporizer. If you're trying to deal with symptoms that far outweigh the risks of inhaling something into your lungs, then that might be where you'll make that personal decision to start using hemp vaporizers in your daily routine. The added risk is when there's additives. An additive might carry a secondary risk, something that could be carcinogenic or cancer-causing. That's far and above the risk of just having a foreign substance in your body. If you have any other questions about CBD vaporizers, please either comment below or head over to our website at TruestYou.com for more information. Thank you.